Hello friends, in this video we will see how to get user input in Java. This is my Eclipse IDE and I have created Java practice project. Here for this demo I am going to create a new class. I am giving class name as scanner demo and I am checking public static void main. It will automatically create main method for me. I am removing generated comment. Java has provided a class called scanner which helps us to take input. Scanner class breaks the input into tokens using a delimiter, and also it provides many methods to read and parse various primitive values. Now we have to create scanner object. Now how to create it? Just give class name scanner, provide its variable name equal to new scanner and provide parameter as system.in semicolon. It takes input from system.in. This represents a standard input stream. This line helps us to take input from console. Now it is showing error at scanner. You can see this error. To solve this, we have to import scanner class. Once you hover on scanner, it will provide you suggestions. I am clicking on import scanner. Here you can see it has imported scanner class. There is one more way to import classes. For now I am deleting this. You just press Ctrl Shift and O. It will automatically import the required classes. This is a shortcut to import classes. Here we will ask user to enter number. Just type sysout and press Ctrl spacebar. It will automatically print this line. I'm giving enter number. Now when we run program, it will show enter number on console. Then user will enter some number. We need some variable to store this number. Let's suppose I'm creating int number equal to sc dot. Here we are taking integer numbers. I'm selecting next int method. It will read whatever number you have typed on console and it will store inside number variable. Now to print this value, I will again use sysout. Now to format code, press Ctrl A, Ctrl Shift F. It will format your code. I'm saving it. Now let's run the code and we'll see its output. Now here it is asking us to enter number. I'm entering a number and it is showing you have entered number 25. Same thing you can do for other data types also. Here we have done it for integer. Now same thing we'll try for string. I am creating scanner object as sc1. On console we will print enter name. Again I'm changing this variable name to name and scanner object will be sc1. Here we will accept string value. To get suggestions, just press Ctrl and spacebar. Here we are taking string. We are going to select next line and I will change its data type to string. I will just run this code, this program. We go to run a Java application. Enter number. I'm providing 101. And provide name. I'm providing name as John. It has printed John name. This program we have written only for integer and string. The scanner class provides many methods which helps us to read different data types. Like it provides public string next. It is used to get next token from scanner, then next byte, next short, next int, next long, next float and next double. All these methods helps us to read particular data type. Thanks for watching.